Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC and GME is another short squeeze in the works, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Share our opinion on what's going on exactly. So AMC ended the day at $9.75. Consolidation of a day down over 1.3% in after hours. We got over $10 today, guys, hitting 10.39 as of high, touching that resistance again. I told you guys, once we get over 10.35, 10.40ish and stay above it and treat that as a new floor, this bad boy is ready to run up 30-40% in a single day. Same thing with GameStop. It could get over 30-32. It's ready to run up significantly as well, guys. So we teased it on today, hitting the high of 10.39. That's why you see we hit exactly that point. That's telling you something right there, that it's something special about 10.30, 10.40ish, because once we get above it and stay above it, AMC is ready to turn into beast mode again, guys. As we know, guys, so let's go ahead and take a further look at what we was just mentioning. But before that, let's take a look at GameStop as well, because I know a lot of you is investing in GameStop as well. So GameStop ended at 28.25, up over 1.7% on the day, but gave those gains back in after hours. Like we just mentioned, GameStop needs to get over 30-32 $32 before we see a nice takeoff towards 40, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So it's another short squeeze in the works, guys, for AMC and GameStop. Several indicators point to the possibility of another short squeeze setup in AMC Entertainment stock. So as we know, guys, I've been telling you guys, I do believe AMC can run up big again. But the thing is, I'm not going to sit around, me personally, I'm not going to sit around another year or two for it to happen. I told you guys, if it didn't happen in the mean in between time, if it didn't happen here soon enough, or we got traction, we got to turn around, then it was going to be it for me. But as you can see, guys, since last week, we seen a difference in AMC's price action. Even a blind baby could see it, because ever since AMC did a special dividend split type of stock split, it ain't a stock split, but that's just how we put it in a nutshell. Ever since AMC did that, guys, we know AMC momentum has been killed. Everything died down. It was declining in price action. The volume was dying. Everything was slowly bleeding out. Then eventually, just on last week or the week before last, I think last week, but AMC started to have this turnaround, mood change. On Friday alone, it was up over 12%. It did had a good day on this week as well. On Monday, prior to CPI inflation data being reported, then the market sold off, and on the day the market tried to pick back up steam, guys. So as we know, this bad boy definitely has it in it to run up crazy again. Like we know, guys, if we take a look at the comparison between AMC and GME, we know AMC hasn't really, done much of a running up, coming back down, running up, coming back down as GameStop did, and usually like a lot of other assets and securities. So that give AMC the benefit to run up and touch higher numbers once more, guys, being for the fact that it haven't really done it that often. It only did it when we ran up to hit a high of $77, pulled back to around 40-50, ran back to 60, came back down, and it went up kind of sort of what it did when it came down to 13 months ago, and it ran to 33. It ran up. That was a nice little run. So really, in the grand scheme of things, AMC only went up twice if we really zoom all the way out. When it hit its all-time high at 77, and when it came all the way down, pulled all the way down to 13, and I think that was March, April, whenever it did that, and it jumped back to 33, and then it died down, came all the way back down to the $9 range, and now where we at, guys, and we eventually got back to 20, the 25, 26s, and then we had the AMC special dividend split type of vibe. So as we know, guys, AMC definitely has it in to do it, but like I say, it need to do it now before later, because a lot of people, I don't know, they probably, or maybe a lot of people not thinking how I'm thinking. I'm the only one that's actually, saying how I feel. So anyways, AMC Entertainment implied volatility reading suggests there's plenty of room for price movement in this stock. So implied volatility is a market forecast of the security's likely future price movement, guys. Usually in the bear market, implied volatility increases, and in the bullish market, it decreases. So what we know about AMC implied volatility, let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So AMC Entertainment currently stands at 120.2. That's about 16% lower than its 20-day moving average. This points out that implied volatility is trending lower but remains super high. Apple's stock, for example, has an implied volatility of 25.1. Generally, option contracts with lower levels of implied volatility results in cheaper option prices. Therefore, traders look to buy option contracts whenever there's a lower implied volatility to get a cheaper premium on that contract, guys. So there also have been a spike in bar fee rates, guys. AMC stock has jumped nearly 20% in the last 5 trading days. We also seen a substantial increase in bar fee rates from the end of August to present. Notice that during the first trading days of September, AMC bar rate peaked several times, reaching nearly 30%, the highest levels this year so far. Rates are currently around 18%, guys. So that's also a great sign for as long as that bar fees is going up, costing short sellers more money in the long term and in between time to short AMC, which will then cost them in return to cover rather quicker than before, guys. So putting everything in a nutshell, the community is still behind AMC very strongly. Also, short still haven't covered yet. We still got 60% of buying pressure being rerouted through the dark pools, putting all our buying pressure on the dark pools and all our selling pressure on the opening markets. We still have a lot of BS going on behind the scenes, guys. We still have payment for order flow. We still got a lot of fuckery going on within AMC, but chances is still there for AMC to shock a lot of people and just fly up out of nowhere. But like I told you guys, I ain't got no reason to hold you, no reason to lie to you. If it goes on for another year, and it just feel as if it's gonna be a long time before it happens, Hayes will be the first to let you know that I'm not waiting no more. You feel me? But like I told you guys, we did get traction. As you can see, things is looking already looking better, far as what they was looking like once AMC had a special dividend split type of vibe. That's what we just call it. But anyways, like we know, guys, we're gonna see what it do. But I believe AMC definitely has the potential to spike up out of nowhere, especially being for the fact to get us back on the up and up, to get us back, the FOMO kicking in, the hype, trend and all that. I don't think we need to do is get above $10.40, treat that as a floor, and watch it work from there, guys. So you already know what to do. I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP, and we